Want to instantly impress people with your English? Yeah, 10 words bolt high log kahench. Wow, your English is next level. Let's go. Welcome to day 9 of our 10-day English challenge. Today we are learning 10 super powerful words that make your English sound polished, confident, and impressive. Presented by LexiQuesta Academy. Learn smart, speak fluent. Word 1, remarkable. Meaning, something very impressive or noticeable. Example, your progress is remarkable. Word 2, exceptional. Meaning, much better than average. Example, her communication skills are exceptional. Word 3, extraordinary. Meaning, very special, better than ordinary. Example, your creativity is extraordinary. Word 4, outstanding. Meaning, extremely good, superior. Example, your performance today was outstanding. Word 5, fascinating. Meaning, extremely interesting. Example, your idea is fascinating. Word 6, brilliant. Meaning, excellent, intelligent, impressive. Example, that's a brilliant solution. Word 7, spectacular. Meaning, visually exciting or impressive. Example, the night sky looks spectacular. Word 8, incredible. Meaning, hard to believe because it's so good. Example, you've done an incredible job. Word 9, phenomenal. Meaning, extremely impressive, extraordinary. Example, her improvement is phenomenal. Word 10, mind-blowing. Meaning, extremely surprising or amazing. Example, your transformation is mind-blowing. By the way, if you want to improve your English with smart, simple, and powerful methods, welcome to LexiQuesta Academy. Learn smart, speak fluent. Yahin pa daily English ka glow up hoda high. Look at the difference. Normal, your work is good. Impressive, your work is exceptional. See the impact? Vocabulary changes the whole vibe. Today's 10 powerful words were remarkable, exceptional, extraordinary, outstanding, fascinating, brilliant, spectacular, incredible, phenomenal, mind-blowing. If today's lesson was mind-blowing, drop your favorite word in the comments. Tomorrow is day 10, Advanced English Upgrade Words. You don't want to miss it. This is LexiQuesta Academy. Learn smart, speak fluent. See you in the next lesson.